The powers contain variables, so we apply logarithmic differentiation. Take log on both sides to the base e, that is, use natural logarithms. Apply the properties of logarithms. So we will have to use the product rule for differentiation. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Derivative of log sin x with respect to x is 1 by sin x into cos x. On the RHS, the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and the derivative of log y is 1 by y into dy by dx. Now apply this into the product rule. We can add the fractions or multiply both sides with y into sin x. Rearrange and collect the terms we have to solve for dy by dx. If needed, divide numerator and denominator with sin x.